Hey guys, today we're unboxing the eneloop SmartPlus Charger. So this is the white version that comes with 4 white batteries with a capacity of 2000 milliamps each. Be noted you can buy this with no batteries at a cheaper price. And then there's also a black version of this, but it's the Pro version. It comes with 4 black batteries and they do actually have higher capacity at 2500 milliamps. And of course, the whole package costs a little bit more. So be wary of those differences between the white and black version. I'll have links to both down below. And we're unboxing the UK version with a UK plug because of course I'm from the UK. So the packaging is overall very simple, and then you just have to get this tape off and you've got access to the batteries. You do have to remove them before plugging in because there's a piece of paper at the top which is stopping them connecting, as they may of course drain if they were connected up. So as such, take them out and then you can put the batteries back in charge. Now what's good to know here is you can put other batteries in this charger if it's the same chemical makeup. So for instance, Amazon basic rechargeable batteries here, we can throw these in and charge them up in this charger too. I highly recommend you do go ahead and get yourself some sort of rechargeable battery because you will save money in the long term. The reason I decided to jump into this is normal AA batteries that I have, I don't use them much at all. And as a result, every time I go to get some, I find that one of them has gone off. And as a result, I thought, you know what? It's not really a great thing. I'm not even using these batteries and they're going in a landfill. So I decided I'm going to get rechargeable now and go fully into this and get them purchased. And hopefully in the long term, this is going to save me money. I've also found, oddly enough, that AA batteries are getting used in more stuff now for my hobbies than they were previously. So as a result, I'm going through them a little bit quicker than usual. So I think, yeah, worth doing. And I recommend getting a charger like this that has smart charging, so your cells are just going to last longer overall. This is what it looks like when it's charging. So the actual bit at the top is LEDs and it'll change from red, orange to green for the charging status. So super simple to use. I'll have links to these in the description below.